Hi, welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. And this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising na Scorpio for March 24 to 30. So kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. And kung hindi nyo po alam kung ano yung sun, moon, at rising nyo, sa dulo po ng video may link po tayo dito. Panoorin nyo. Importante kasi yon. And remember, readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. I'm also inviting you, i-click po yung join button sa baba para maging member at magkakaroon kayong access sa ating mga extended readings and other benefits. And guys, kung kailangan nyo po ng private readings or spell works, pwede kayo mag-message sa ating Facebook page at may admin po tayong tutulong sa inyo. And para po sa donation, you can use the thanks button sa baba, yung parang heart. Okay, Scorpio, how are you? So we have here is the Hangman and the community. Yes, learning from those around you is an important task ngayon para sa'yo. Kumbaga, getting input, getting updates. Kasi, totoo naman, we don't know everything, di ba? And, on a daily basis, nag-expand talaga ang knowledge. May mga bago tayong natututunan. So, ito yung moment kasi na, nakakatuwa lang kasi, while you're listening sa ibang tao, tinitingnan mo siya kung applicable para sa'yo. So, meron kang filtering system pa rin. Na sabihin natin na, tinitingnan mo kung feasible ba para sa'yo to, magiging applicable ba, magiging beneficial ba, wala bang magiging, tawag doon, conflict of interest. So, andoon na you are looking at things from a different perspective. Which is a good thing. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, ina-open mo yung sarili mo sa universe para bigyan ka ng additional heads up or knowledge or understanding doon sa mga nangyayari. And andoon na you are also certain na yung community o yung family o yung tribe na meron ka is there to support you. Kasi na-build mo na yung kumaga na-build mo na yung tiwala mo tsaka yung confidence mo sa kanila. However, yung ating crossing card we have here is the Unfinished Symphony and the Eight of Cups. Siguro part na to ng retrograde na nangyayari. Ayan, di ba? May mga besides sa may mga magpaparamdam from people from your past, mga nag-hi, hello, or yung mga tipong papansin. Pwedeng sabihin natin na reaction sa mga posts mo, or bigla na lang out of the blue, they could be posting something in social media na mapapadaan sa wall, sa account mo, then it's about, alam mo yung kahit hindi ka binabanggit, you know for a fact that is you. So, may mga ganun na kaganapan that you may expect at mga nangyayari. Pero ano pa rin kasi focus key sa tina-target mo doon sa sarili mo And sabihin natin na for a moment parang, napansin mong ganun. Pero parang pwede natin siya yung mga ganun, parang pwede ko siya ikumpara na parang sa kalsada, humps lang yan. Bump in the road lang yan. Parang okay, sige, nagpapansin. Okay, next, parang gano'n lang. Okay, nagpapansin, next please. Yan, punta ka sa window number 2. Ganyan. Ganun yung siniging in a way, with the Eight of Cups, andoon na nagiging iba na yung concept mo about giving na rin Iba na yung concept mo of being available for others. Andoon na nagiging stiff ka na, nagiging may boundaries na, andoon na hindi na agad nape-penetrate yung emotions mo. Now, with your Desire card, we have here the Page of Pentacles and Go the Distance. Good job na hindi ka nagmamadali. Na yun yung desire mo na ayaw mo munang i-pursue ito yung bagay na to without fully completing yung ibang mga bagay. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na meron kang binibuild, something better. Although yes, meron kang desire, ito yung ginugusto mo, especially when it comes to the finances and your career expansion. Alam mo sa sarili mo, para maging suitable ka, makuha yon or maging trained enough ka, or maging strong enough ka para to be that person na mag-grab ng mga bagay na yon or mga opportunities na yon. Andoon na you chose, tamang ginawa mo din, na you chose na stay muna ako dito. I-build ko tong foundation ko. I-build ko yung sarili ko. Para kapag binild na yung next level sa life ko, hindi shaky yung foundation. Hindi ako matataranta, hindi ako may hirapan mag-adjust or whatnot. Andoon na level up ka lang. Kumbaga, level mo lang, level mo lang. And that is a good thing that you're doing right now. Now, in your foundation kasi, Queen of Pentacles and Fork in a row. Yeah, there's still some decisions na andun na, although decided ka na, may mga small parts pa din na you are still hoping na nagbabaka sakali na baka pwedeng ganito, baka pwedeng ganyan, or possible na may magkaroon pa ng changes. Well, it's up to you. Especially these are individuals na nag-hope ka na magkaroon sila ng ibang mindset or ibang response, pero hindi makakontrol yun eh. It's up to them. Kung gusto nila ng nabaguhin yung sarili nila, kasi nakikita mo na yung parang, if they're going to do this, pagbabago sa ganitong paraan, nakikita mo na yung pwedeng maging future na maganda para sa kanila. Well, pwede mo naman dali, sabi nga, ng kasabihan, pwede mo dali ng kabayo sa tubigan, pero hindi mo sila mapipilit uminom. Decision pa rin nila yon. Andun na siguro, iniwan mo na sa kanila yung decision, bala na kayo sa buhay nyo. Parang andun yung point, napagod na ako, nakaka-extend ang sarili ko, napagod na ako sa pagiging mabait, napapagod na ako sa pagiging mapagbigay, na hindi naman na-appreciate yung mga ginagawa ko. Bahala na kayo, I'll focus on myself. That's a good thing. Kasi in the past, with the star tsaka chapwood, alam mo yung tipong nawalan ka ng, yes, you were happy being there for other people, na ikaw yung naging parang sandigan nila, takbuhan nila, pero andun din kasi na, at may naging kapalit eh, and those are yung plans mo sa life mo, yun yung mga aspirations mo, ang masakit kasi sa end mo din, hindi na-appreciate, hindi, kumbaga, kung meron man, piling-pili lang, kung meron man, saglit lang na-appreciate, pero yung hindi nila nakita, hindi nila naintindihan yung sinacrifice mo for you to be able to give yung mga bagay na yun, to give that time, that resources sa kanila. Yun yung masakit sa end mo din eh, na nabaliwala yun mga yun. Yes, wala masama na masaktan ka, what you are feeling is legit yan, at respetuhin natin. But this time, nagbe-break away ka na from the type of personality, because in the future we have here the loyal heart tsaka si 3 of cups. Nakatuwa lang no na kapag nakita mo na that a person is just using you, or a person is ando na nagko-cross ng boundaries, bigla ka nagpo-push back, bigla kang umaalis, tapos nakakaloka. Totoo, people deserves explanation. Pero sa mga ganitong klaseng tao, they don't need explanation. They should know na may mga boundaries. They should respect that. Mutual ba? Kumaga, it's mutual, it's common sense. At hindi kita masisisi na may mga tao bigla mo lang iniiwanan sa ere. Tapos magtatanong sila, bakit mo iniwan sa ere? Ay, siya nga lang, hindi nakakaramdam. Siya nga lang, hindi nakakapansin. Tama lang, na iiwanan mo talaga sila sa ere. And focus on those individuals na nakita mo na responsive, that is one a give and take situation. And not to mention, andoon na, ito yung mga tao, we will be focusing sa mga tao na nung time na talagang down ka, wala ka, they were there. Hindi yung mga tao na nandyan kasi meron ka. And that is a matured decision para sa akin na ginagawa mo. So, kung naka-resonate ka sa readings, invite kita, i-click mo yung join button sa baba para magkaroon ka ng access later sa ating extended readings po, which is mas malalim na yung mga message ng cards. Pero for now, tuloy natin yung readings mo. So, physical environment mo, we have here the 7 of Cups and Siyang. Well, andun kasi na you are really taking control na rin eh. Kumbaga, meron ka nang nade-develop na aggression, na hindi ka napapayag na eto lang yung para sa'yo. No. Parang andun yung point na there's more. Hindi lang to. Hindi lang ito yung para sa akin. Kaya nga nandun na with yung sa inner part mo eh. You're learning from the community eh. Sabi ng Hangman. Kasi andoon na you're trying to find other resources paano mo magagawang expand yung sarili mo, paano mo magagawang mas matured, stronger, and better yung sarili mo. Sabi nga ni Britney Spears, diba? Sa kanta niya, now I'm stronger than yesterday. Now it's nothing but a mile away. My loneliness ain't keeping me no more. So kumbaga, yeah, you're learning from your past, and this time, kinukuha mo yung mga learnings na sabi ng Seven of Cups to apply it to yourself. Because your emotional environment as well is we have here the Five of Swords and new life. Ang dami mong kinakat na mga bagay. And you're starting with yourself. Kumbaga, tingnan mo, ano ba yung mga bagay na hindi na maayos para sa akin? Ano ba yung mga bagay na sumusobra? Ano yung mga bagay na kulang? Ano ba yung mga bagay na nawalan ako ng focus? What is my mindset? What is my emotions towards this? Doon ka nagsisimula. Doon ka nagpo-focus. And yun yung ginagamit ng universe to drive you into a better person. Parang para kang nasa kamay ngayon na the potter and the clay, para kang clay na minomold into something beautiful, something perfect. And along the way, syempre, pag binomold yun, may mga impurities yan, may mga maliliit na bato, tinatanggal. Yun yung ginagawa sa'yo ng universe, and you are more than willing na ma-cleanse sa part na yun. But wait, dadaan ka pa sa baptism of fire, di ba? Kapag natapos na yung clay, kailangan to painitan para maging mas matibay. And you will soon be entering that baptism of fire. Mahirap, masakit, pero very, very rewarding. At tip lang ang baptism of fire, hindi siya one time. Sa continuous. Continuous process yan. Kasi cleansing yun eh. So, you will learn how to enjoy it. Kasi may kita mo yung benefits after that baptism of fire. Yung desire mo, yung hopes and fears mo pala, is a Queen of Swords and exchanging gifts. And yung hope mo talaga is to have everything that is blocking your way, regardless kung sino man yan or ano yan, matanggal. Kasi you have concrete plan. Medyo andun lang tayo sa part na wala ka pa talaga mga time frames na kailan mo ito-target to. Kumbaga, nasa overall pipeline mo pala siya na okay, bala ko tong gawin to, mabilit to, mapuntahan to, mapag-aralan to, ma-achieve to. Meron ka na specifics. Ang kailangan na lang hinihintay ng universe na tutulungan ka in the process is to fix a timeline. Kaya mo nga ginagawa, babalik tayo sa first card mo, kaya mo ginagawang natututo ka from other people. Kasi you're trying to, hindi naman sa ginagaya, pero nagdodraw ka ng inspiration mula sa kanila. Paano nila ginawa? Paano nila pinlan? How did they execute it? And when did they execute it? At ano yung mga ginamit nila to execute it? So, andoon nagre-reflect ka. And I think this retrograde is a good time for you to do that. Now, in the future, we have here is the Hierophant and also the Message in the Bottle. So, a lot of you guys will be getting some news na paparating. This is with regards to your work. And also some corrections as well. And in this process kasi, mas improve mo siya. And with the news as well, sa work, hindi lang to yung within the current work that you have, but also in the other forms ng pinagkakitaan mo. That there will be some information na darating sa'yo. And andoon na ma-realize mo, nga no, pwede ko palang gawin yun. Or, sige nga, itatry ko yun. So, andoon na magkakaroon ng mga changes along the way. But these changes will also open another door in terms of gaining finances as well. So, what are those? We'll check it in your extended readings. May cards na tayo. Para mapanood mo yung extended readings mo, i-click mo lang yung join button sa baba. Always remember guys, the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And if you're new, please do subscribe, like, and share. So maraming salamat. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna and blessed be. And hope to see you sa extended readings natin. Mula po dito sa Dominican Hill in Baguio City. Have a great day. I'll see you soon po.